Chapter at BSc, we have a dedicated team of engineers to support our customers with tailor-made solutions for their project. And that's it in a nutshell. With more than 80 years of evaporative cooling experience, BSc has the product, application and system knowledge in-house to analyze and offer the most sustainable and efficient cooling solutions. These solutions will meet the toughest thermal, energetic and acoustical demands. A team of dedicated engineers can support you with specialized in-house developed software which uses measured sound data of all unit configurations to provide customized solutions for each project. We have sound power data per octave band and sound pressure data at short and long distances from all 4 sides and the top of the unit. For indoor applications, BSc can provide partial sound power data for the different services. If you have a sound-related question, you should contact your local BSc representative to assess the current situation. You can clarify the future needs, and they can help you discover the variety of sound reduction options that are available today. It's very easy to request a customized analysis. You can do it straight away.